It's Dobby's birthday today. He's 5.
Yeah.
And he was spending some time in Glendale with my parents because they were helping us out getting him his nails trimmed, because there's only one woman in the city of, well, the greater area of Milwaukee that can cut it. So shout out to Raquela with Community Bark. She does a great job. But we're gonna go pick him up today. It's his birthday. We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna go out and we're gonna go to the bird store.
Pet store that has birds.
So we're gonna go to the pet store to go see the birds, because when like Planet Earth stuff started coming out, we found out that he just loves birds. He doesn't give a crap about polar bears or foxes or anything else other than, you know, winged, hollow-boned creatures.
And it's really cute.
Yeah, he's like,
really likes it.
He perks up.
So
he's about it.
I really don't know how Shay is gonna go. There's kind of like two things that I think how it could go. One, he's gonna probably get a little scared or nervous or like what have you.
Scared of everything.
And not really. We know a dog who's more afraid of things. Manny.
He's scared of inanimate objects. I'm scared of living things.
Yeah, but I also, which I'm more afraid of, I think he is just not going to care.
I also feel that way.
But I thought about this about a month ago.
I think he'll get scared.
I think about a month ago, I'm like, Dobby's birthday, we go take him to see birds. And you thought I was crazy. You thought that was a bad idea.
I don't remember thinking it was crazy, but
You did think it was a bad
I think it's a
idea.
good idea, because I think it's going to be funny just to see how he reacts to real live birds. I mean, he sees them all the time outside when we go out, but like,
he doesn't care
he's
about
going to be
them
in
either.
close proximity with these bad boys. So we're going to see.
Yeah. Well, and it's just like, when's the last time we saw a canary? You know? Like,
I don't really care.
it's kind of like a family day to the zoo.
It's kind of a shitty zoo.
Dobby will enjoy. There's toys there. There's treats there.
Yeah, no, he'll have a good time. It's fine. But tell him what we're going to do afterwards, because we know that that's a for sure home run.
Yes. We are taking our little boy, our now little man.
Young man. 35 years young.
We're
Dog years.
taking him to Culver's for a little vanilla ice cream.
It's his favorite. He like leaps through the windshield in the drive-thru. He loses his mind.
It's the cutest thing, and he whimpers, and when we're waiting in line for it, he just gets so excited.
Yeah, he's gonna freak out.
It's gonna be really cute.
So yes, we're on the way to go pick him up right now, and then we'll see him.
I'm excited.
And he's gonna lose his furry little face. Also, since we're terrible at making decisions, we're literally just gonna drive down Highway 100 and then be like, oh, that looks good. That looks good. Okay. So we'll see what we do here. Even that was too stressful, so we're just gonna do Jimmy John's. Babe, you're in the shot. Say hello. Say hello to the folks.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Secretly okay with Jimmy John's because across the street is Krispy Kreme. If you're Team Dunkin' Donuts, we do not like you. So it's Team Krispy Kreme or die.
No, it's not.
Yes,
No,
it is. Dunkin'
it's
Donuts
not.
is dry.
No.
Dunkin' Donuts is dry.
Okay, I don't like Dunkin'. I don't like Crispy. Greebies.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Greebies.
But we're talking like major chains.
Then I don't eat donuts.
That's nonsense. Both Club Lulus. Mine's with cheese, hers are with cheese and cucumbers and what else?
I think I put more lettuce in it. I really don't know why.
More lettuce.
That's good.
Also, you can tell what kind of people we are by our sides. Chips. Sweets. Sweet too.
I'll give you 3 high fives.
Larry!
Oh.
Hey. Oh, there he is. There. Hello.
He doesn't even know what we're doing yet.
Hello.
So where do you
Go to PetSmart. All right, we have secured the Doge.
Baby.
Here's proof. Have him.
Hey, baby.
He's the big what?
05.
He's the big 05, not 5-0. Big 05.
Yeah, because he's 5.
So we're on the way to PetSmart. Here we go. Bird time. We're literally still in the driveway because we've been non-stop patting the dog.
Yeah, baby. Baby.
Super close up of the dog. Less close up. Look at how cute he is. Okay, let's go. All right, we made it to the bird store. PetSmart. It's where the pets fart. Curbside.
It doesn't acknowledge him.
No, he's too small. That's sizeless, and I will not have any of it. We reject this establishment. We literally don't need any of this.
Dobby,
He doesn't like it.
do you need a Marvin?
No, no.
Yes. That one's too big. That one's way too big. Do you want a Marvin? Yeah. Oh, good boy.
Oh, hello, hello.
Hi, sweetie.
There's a big pupper now.
Baby.
He's scared of everything. Oh, I think we found some. His tail's down. I think he's scared. We found the birds, though. The birds. Well, he likes it. He's trying to sniff them.
Oh, boy. Ooh.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, what do you think? Talking to you? Say chirp chirp Dob, happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's funny, his actual birthday was Thursday, but we always call it the bird day, and that was literally bird day. He's so interested.
Yeah.
You're a good boy. What do you think? Which one do you like? They're all cleaning themselves. Isn't that crazy? Look at him. Oh, are you guys chatting? You guys are gonna have tea later. Oh. Oh. That's awesome. He's like trying to sniff his undercarriage.
Oh, there's a third one coming out.
Oh, I didn't know he was in there. Hello, everyone's coming out to play. They're all here to say happy birthday. What a big day. The hamsters are a big hit.
Yeah. Oh my
He is a
gosh.
fan. Look at you.
Who is that?
Oh,
Oh, he's coming to say hi.
hello, Clarice.
He's coming to say hi. Folks.
Look at that smile.
He's fascinated by these things. He says, let me in.
Do you hear him?
Let me in. Yeah, he's getting ornery. He's trying to jump in their cage.
There you go.
Oh, this is going super well.
Here.
He says, no, I'm gonna hang out with Dad.
Here. Sit.
Try again.
Yes. You're gonna be a cool boy.
Cool boy.
You're gonna be a cool boy.
He does not like this at all. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm
Oh.
sorry. What is that?
Dobby, look at
His
that.
ear is all tucked up. All tucked up in it.
Okay.
He's not having a good time. Remember when you were like, hey, let's get him some clothes?
Oh, all right. Hat's not my best idea, but a T-shirt would be great.
No. This one is funny,
Or
but
what if
no.
we just get him a hamster?
Yes, they're like $10. Birthday trip to PetSmart. Massive success. Loves hamsters.
Okay, happy boy.
Who knew? Hamsters. That's where we're going to get
know
custard
yet. He doesn't know yet.
for the young man.
Oh, you don't know. Yeah.
He's pretty intrigued.
Okay.
Uh-oh, here we go. Pulling up. Oh, 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 oh.
He knows now.
Culver's our flavor of the day is brownie batter overload, or can we make fresh for you today?
He almost lost a nurse.
He's losing his mind trying to get out because
He
he
knows
knows
where
he
we
knows
are
every
now.
time we're in the drive-through it's at Culver's. He gets ice cream.
knows where we are now.
He's freaking out.
He's never sat on this side. Though.
He's so excited.
See, not safe.
He's the most excited.
Uh-oh, he knows we're moving now.
It's amazing he knows traffic patterns as soon as we're in a drive-thru.
Right.
No. Stay here. You stay here. Shh. Mama has to take care of it so we can get to you. You can't get it. You're not allowed to take things from the drive-thru window.
Do you hear him huff at you?
Yeah, he does not like it.
Oh no, baby.
Here we go. Oh god.
Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh no.
He's losing it. I'm losing control of this dog.
Thank you.
Oh,
No, thank you.
This is just, Dab, it's just plastic. It's just
Dab,
plastic.
no, it's just-
Ah! Oh god.
Beautiful.
Oh god.
Thank you.
Here he comes.
Okay,
Simmer down.
Can you wait?
No. He says, are you kidding? No.
Okay, are you ready?
Give him a little bit.
Do we sing to him?
No.
We sing to him.
Happy birthday to you.
No.
Happy birthday in
we
the
really
zoo.
sing. Thank
Oh
you.
god. Where's your third hand gonna go? No.
We're about to lose all of it. Thank you. You too.
This is going super well.
Is it?
I'm trying to hold the dog. I'm trying to hold the
I can't drive.
camera stick.
I can't drive. Here.
What do you? I can't. Oh
Yes,
god.
you can.
Oh god. Stop. Stay. Stay.
Out of his ass.
Oh, this is terrible.
Okay. We made it. We've made it.
I'm gonna put mine up here. You can't get it.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Now we're gonna get his.
Happy birthday
To you. Oh no. Happy birthday to Dob.
you. Happy birthday, dear Dobby. Peanut.
Peanut.
Happy birthday to you.
He's like, cut it out. Just give it to me.
There you go.
He's like seizing with enjoyment here.
Yum.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Here you go. Dobby. Bob, I think you missed a spot. But right there on your chin. You see that? Yeah, right there. Right there, baby.
No, you didn't drop. It's just on your face.
Yeah. You'll get it sooner or later.
By tomorrow.
Well, I think it was a very successful Dobby birthday.
Bird day.
A birthday.
Which turned out to be more of a hamster day than a bird day.
Yeah, it was. But
That's fine.
it was good. It was good. I'm glad we were able to get Dob out of the apartment and do fun things.
Yeah, he
But
had
now
fun.
he
We had fun at the pet
enjoys.
store. He lost his mind at Culver's, and now we're going to watch Project Runway
Yeah.
and
Hopefully
relax.
he calms down from his sugar rush.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll see how he is in the morning when he crashes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.